I wanted to spend some time talking about the heat that is being generated by the solar panels. We recently had some snow, and it actually reveals some interesting things about the solar panels. We know that the solar panels are more efficient when they are cold, but it's also interesting to see what we have around the solar panels that's generating heat. If I actually zoom in on the solar panels that we have, there are some interesting things that you notice here. You can see that every couple of solar panels has a spot right here where part of the snow has melted. And what we actually have going on there is that is where the microinverters are. Now, if we look at this end down here, you can see that we've got a solar panel here, one, another one, another one, another one. So you can see the lines for the solar panels. What we have going on right here, though, is actually where one of the microinverters is. And so for this, excuse me, this two solar panel set, we've got a microinverter right here. Now, what's interesting about this is that these two look like they are at about the same height on the panel, but in reality they are not. This one is actually mounted lower. Then for the next set of solar panels, we actually have a battery commander that appears to be what's generating the heat. I'm not really entirely sure, but we have a battery commander with this set of solar panels, a battery commander with this set of solar panels, and this one, as well as this one. Now, what is interesting after that is that what I did is I actually switched the location of the battery commander and the microinverter to where that it is on the right panel of the two panel set instead of the left panel. And the reason for that is that the hole that I have going into the attic is right about here, and I wanted to have the distance from the panels to where this hole is at to be as short as possible. So the idea is that all of the panels here to the right have the boxes closest to this hole, and then all the panels that are going to be here to the left are also going to have the cables and the boxes that are going to be closest to that hole. So that's the idea with that. But this is just kind of interesting to see how that those little boxes are generating enough heat that they are actually melting the snow. And I actually took a little video of that I will also show. And here's what we got for that. So this is the next day. It's about 25 degrees right now. And even with this, you can still see the spots on the panels. On that second panel, then the third panel, fifth panel. There's one there in the center. Can't see those down there as well, but they are there. So even with this, we can still tell that the microinverters are generating heat, which is causing the snow to melt more quickly than on the areas around it. So hopefully that gives you just a little bit more of an idea of what you can expect whenever you get your system installed. And once again, if you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to click the subscribe button and look for more solar videos that are coming along.